Theo Marshall, MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard the 2020 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Starting in the back, she's powered by quad 400 horsepower Mercury Verado engines. You'll notice all your rod holders here, along with your live well. Here in the aft, great amount of room and a huge bench, plenty of seating. You'll notice the hard top, rod holders, lighting, and a great amount of additional storage up top. You have additional bench here on the starboard side with your tuna door here on the port side. Here you have your Kenyan grill, freshwater sink, 2 refrigerators and ice maker, tackle storage, whole galley. When the galley's put away, this seat can easily flip right up, along with the backrest, to add a lot more seating. Moving up to the helm, you have 3 helm seats here, very well protected under the hard top, where you'll find your 3 Raymarine screens, your sky hook, your throttle, gauges, of course your cup holders. As we make our way into the cabin, you'll notice a nice wood finish of the steps. Brings you to your sleeping area, where you have a galley, television, additional storage space, and of course you have your head. As we move along into the bow, you'll notice this nice, roomy walkway with more storage along the sides. Which brings you to this enormous sun pad here up against the console, where you'll find armrest, cup holders, 3 people comfortably lay out and tan, with also storage underneath, of course. Underneath this wraparound seating here in the bow, we have some more storage. And this cushion, which was a sun pad, can pop right off and become a nice table to have your picnic up at the bow. Lastly, you have your anchor locker. Again, this is the 2020 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. For any questions, any additional information at all, please reach out to us at MarineMax Boston. Thank you.